Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency that does specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I was doing a keyword search of Charleston Roofing and checking out the companies listed on the front page or the first page of Google. At the top you see some ads. This next section is what we call the map pack. Then you get into the organic rankings where you'll see some of your competitors. Charleston Roof, this is directory listing. Baker Roofing Company, Charleston Roofing Windows, and there's others. You probably know that 80% of all the new searches choose one of the top 3 search results. So about 80% of the new customers are going to these businesses. And I'm sure you as a business owner would like to get a part of that. And so I continued looking and found you on page 6 back here, right here, Holy City Exteriors. And so I went to your site and looked at it, and comes across really nice, and got some good pictures there. Hopefully your web person is putting the image tags in to help boost your rankings as well with Google. But one of the things that Google looks in order to rank a site on the first page is they want to trust the site, and several things go into trusting the site. And I'm just going to touch on one of them today because it's one thing that you can change very easily yourself, and that is the heading tag, the H1 and H2 tags. And so we put your URL into our analyzer, and your first heading is roofing, and next is Top Roofing Charleston. And Google looks at that and wants to know, okay, what is this site exactly about, and do we trust it in order to rank it high to accommodate our people that are searching or doing searches. And so what would boost your rankings is if you would put in Charleston Roofing and then the name of your company. I'm sorry, go to your site here. This is your heading where it says Top Roofing. If you put in Charleston Roofing to be congruent with what people are searching for, and then under that your company name will be fine. But lead it off with that, and you can put Top Roofing in Charleston in another part of your website. You can just kind of switch those things up. The other thing that they look for is the metadata and what your title is. And this title shows up as the blue line on the search results. This is your title tag. The black is your description. So again, wanting to be congruent with what people are searching for, you can just switch that over to Charleston Roofing. Your vertical line, I would put your company name after that, and then after another vertical line, then you could put roofing contractor or emergency roof repair, whichever keywords you're wanting to rank for. But that will boost your rankings tremendously, and those are some things you can do yourself or on your own, or be glad to help you with that. We help companies all over the United States get to the first page of Google, and we do it very fast and get you a good ROI. So if we can help you, be glad to. Just reach out to me, reply to the email. Thanks.